Hello there YouTube! Welcome to the best video ever! Welcome to my tutorial on
how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
like that. So, welcome to this playlist. I'll be uploading 2 videos each day because there's a lot of videos I need to get through for this playlist. So yeah. So your first step is to build a plus shape on the yellow. So let's just try to get all of the white edges around this yellow. Now this is pretty simple stuff. You should be able to do this intuitively. And now to get back to the proper video. Not the corners, not like that. Just the edges. It doesn't matter if you do have a corner. It doesn't. But don't try to do it because it won't change anything. So basically what you do is pick one of these. So I'm going to do this one. So this is the white red edge. Because it has white and red in it. So we want to turn this layer until it's matched up with the middle. Like that. See? So once it is matched up, we do that layer twice. So 1, 2. And it's matched up like that. And now let's pick another one. So this one. So turn this layer. So it may not be one move, it may be like that. And now we'll do it twice. So we have 2 of these edges. Now I'll do this one. And do it twice. Now maybe this one. So there you go, you should have that. And in our next video we will have the white corners. So see you later today.